Chirping Bird Winery is one of those hidden gems on the Mornington Peninsula. It's tucked away, you won't find it on any map, you won't find any signs for it, you just gotta know about it. It's a couple of kilometres down an old dirt road with lots of potholes, but the journey there is well worth it. They have outstanding wines and they are great value for money. They have a Tempranillo and a lot of other different varieties like the Pinot Noir, Chardonnay, Pinot Gris, all for around about $30 a bottle, which is about half what you'd pay at some places on the Mornington Peninsula for wines which are not as good as these. So look it up and get in there and get some wines from Chirping Bird Winery on the Mornington Peninsula.
You can buy online at any time, and there's a website of which it's been a little bit neglected, so that's the next job to sort of bring it back into life. So